Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these beautiful beads. I love the colors of them, and they come in this really nice carrying case that all have separate little containers on them and little locks, so that way when you take them with you, they don't fall everywhere. Now they have 24 different colors of blue on here, making 1,200 total pieces, and they're about 6 millimeters in diameter here. You've got a nice little area here to be able to put any sort of string that you're wanting to do to make your little bracelets or necklaces. Whatever you're wanting to do, they've got a nice little hole that you just simply bead it on there, and then you can create whatever jewelry that you are wanting to have. It would be a beautiful gift to be able to give somebody or keep it for yourself for any sort of crafting. But these are really nice little beads. Love all the different coloring and things in them. Be nice to be able to fold up, take with you, store however you want.